Are you struggling to use TypeScript with your Node C++ add-on? You're not alone. Today, we're going to simplify the process of creating TypeScript declarations for your add-on, so you can get back to coding without the headaches. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you have a working Node C++ add-on, but you can't figure out how to properly use it with TypeScript. You're not the only one facing this challenge. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I create a TypeScript declaration file for my Node C++ add-on? They want to import their class and use it seamlessly in TypeScript. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So what's the issue here? The problem lies in creating the correct .ts file that defines your class and its constructor. This is essential for TypeScript to understand how to interact with your add-on. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make working with TypeScript and Node C++ add-ons a breeze. To create a TypeScript declaration file for the Node C++ add-on, the user should first create a new file with the extension .d.ts. This file will contain the type definitions for the add-on. In this declaration file, the user needs to declare a module that matches the name of the add-on. Inside this module, they will define the class and its constructor. Once the declaration file is set up, the user can now import the class in their TypeScript code. They should use the import statement to bring in my class from the add-on. Finally, the user should ensure that their TypeScript compiler is configured to recognize the declaration file. This can be done by checking the tsconfig.json file. Fun fact, TypeScript was developed by Microsoft and is now one of the most popular languages for building large-scale applications. It really helps catch errors early. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach shared by a user involves creating a TypeScript interface for your Node C++ add-on. They suggest declaring the interface for your add-on methods and then loading the add-on using require. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One alternative approach involves creating an ambient declaration file. The user suggests adding a mymodule.ts file to define your classes and methods. This allows you to use TypeScript with your Node C++ add-on seamlessly. After defining your classes, you can import your module in TypeScript using the import statement. This allows you to create instances of your classes just like in JavaScript. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. Another user offers an alternative approach using a naming trick. They suggest importing your Node C++ add-on directly by its path, which allows TypeScript to recognize it correctly. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always keep your DTs files updated as you modify your C++ add-on. This will save you from headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to use TypeScript with your Node C++ add-on effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.